MCQs of test measurement and evaluation. Which of the following best describes the purpose of measurement in education? Answer: to assess student learning. What is the primary goal of formative assessment? Answer: to provide feedback for learning and improvement. Which of the following is an example of a summative assessment? Answer: final exam. Reliability refers to the degree to which an assessment. Answer: yields consistent result over time. Validity refers to the degree to which an assessment. Answer: measures what it is intended to measure. A teacher wants to measure a student's ability to solve mathematical problems. Which assessment method would be most appropriate? Answer: problem solving tasks. Which of the following is an advantage of standardized testing? Answer: facilitates comparison across students and schools. What is the purpose of a rubric in assessment? Answer: to provide feedback on students' work. Which of the following is an example of a norm-referenced assessment? Answer: IQ test. Which of the following is a characteristic of authentic assessment? Answer: real-world tasks and context. What is the purpose of grading in education? Answer: to communicate student achievement. Which of the following is an example of a subjective assessment? Answer: essay exam. Which of the following is a disadvantage of high-stakes testing? Answer: narrowly focuses instruction on tested subjects. Which of the following is an example of a criterion-referenced assessment? Answer: standardized test. What does the term standard deviation measure in test scores? Answer: the spread or variability of scores. Which of the following is an example of a non-verbal assessment? Answer: performance task. What is the purpose of a pre-test in educational research? Answer: to assess students' prior knowledge. Which of the following is an example of a portfolio assessment? Answer: artwork collection. Which of the following is a measure of central tendency? Answer: median. In test development, item discrimination refers to. Answer: the ability of a test item to differentiate between high and low performing students. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using multiple choice tests? Answer: limited ability to assess higher order thinking skills. What is the purpose of a norm group in standardized testing? Answer: to compare individual test takers with a representative sample. Which of the following is a measure of the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables? Answer: correlation coefficient. Which of the following is an example of a performance-based assessment? Answer: laboratory experiment. What is the purpose of a norm-referenced grading system? Answer: to compare students with each other. Which of the following is a characteristic of a reliable assessment? Answer: yields similar results across different administrations.